Want to become the go-to expert for Brazilian waxing? This video shows you how to master Brazilian waxing with top esthetician techniques. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to flawless, professional results, step by step. Brazilian waxing keeps growing in popularity for its smooth finish. Clients seek hygiene, confidence, and convenience from this service. However, Brazilian waxing is one of the most technical services in beauty. It requires knowledge of skin sensitivity and accurate techniques. In this masterclass, you'll learn to prepare the skin and apply wax correctly. We'll also cover how to minimize pain and deliver great results. Let's begin your journey to becoming a Brazilian waxing pro. Every great wax starts with proper preparation. First, choose the right wax. Hard wax is typically preferred. Hard wax is gentle on delicate areas because it only grips the hair. Ensure the client's skin is clean, dry, and exfoliated at least 24 hours before. The hair should be about 1/4 of an inch long. That's the size of a grain of rice, long enough for wax to grip, short enough for comfort. Talk to your client about any skin conditions or concerns. Communication builds trust and ensures a smooth experience. Technique makes all the difference in Brazilian waxing. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Allow it to cool, then remove it quickly against the hair's direction. Always hold the skin tight to reduce pain. Work in small sections for control and precision. Avoid re-waxing the same area to prevent irritation. Maintain the wax at the right temperature, not too hot nor too cold. Practice your speed on models to gain confidence. After waxing, it's vital to soothe the skin. Use aloe vera or a calming post-wax solution. Advise clients to avoid heat and friction for at least 24 hours. This means no saunas, tight clothing, or harsh products. Explain the natural hair growth cycle so clients understand regrowth timing. Encourage regular exfoliation to prevent ingrown hairs. Set realistic expectations and offer support throughout their waxing journey. To master Brazilian waxing, go beyond the basics. Learn to spot and correct common mistakes like uneven wax. Develop a signature technique that reflects your brand. Consider expanding with advanced services like vajacials or full-body waxing. The more you offer, the greater value you bring. Continuous learning keeps you ahead in the beauty industry. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your questions or feedback in the comments, we want to hear from you. Check out our other videos to keep building your skills and confidence as a beauty professional.